Here's how you never spend a penny on gas ever again. This is the Manex H2 Flex hydrogen generator. This turns your vehicle into a hydrogen hybrid. You can utilize it in order to power your vehicle on water, wastewater, floodwater, juice, your urine, any type of liquid you can utilize in order to beat the gas companies, beat the oil companies, and clean the air as you drive. I mean, look at this. This is a Shell gas station that has hydrogen in order to fuel hydrogen-powered cars in Canada. We're behind. And the H2 Flex was made by Manex in Jamaica 10 years ago.
They killed me, and then he died. Nobody turned water into hydrogen fuel efficiently enough to drive his dune buggy cross country on 20 gallons.
As you can see right here, Manex told me that oil companies are hiring hackers in order to stop them from distributing these hydrogen hybrids. That's why we need them. So as you can see, this is a no-brainer. We can destroy those oil and gas companies, take back our savings, take back our funds, clean our air, clean our cars, clean our engines. No more oil changes, no more gas. 300 miles for $25. Boom. You want it? Comment hybrid and I'll send you the link for the H2 Flex. Peace.